Good morning, everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing how works this new app that I'm trying out. Basically it's an app that is helping you. It could help in using many AI models from one interface instead of going and connecting to each one of the uh, more user friendly. Uh, basically, this is the application. The application, this is an open source app that's is free for use, uh, for non-commercial use to my only, and basically uh, he's able to connect to multiple LLMs. Okay, I'm gonna use to a test. The one of the characteristics that I like very much about this app is that you can have multiple chats simultaneously. In this at this moment, I'm gonna split it. I'm gonna split my screen in three. That way, I'm gonna be able to use, let's see, OpenAI, ChatGPT 5 here, and you can select specific which model you want to use. Let me try some of the free LLMs. Let's see, I'm gonna use DeepSeek in this one. I can use, let's see, another one. Another free. I'm just doing a search word for with the keyword free. This one. Let's try this one, and there's another one. Let's see. I'll do another search with free. Let's go deeper here. Oh, let's try this one. Okay. We don't have this at ChatGPT. Let me use ChatGPT. That's OpenAI. OpenAI. It's for all. I believe there is 5. Okay. Now let's see. I'm gonna create a prompt here, and it's gonna run in every single one of these split chats. Let me write um, social media. Oh, talking about activity and how we online selling digital. Now you can see that they are all. Oh, there is one provider return error. The question is which one? Okay, this one has an error, and this one as well. There's only one. Okay, these two failed. Let me just find here another one like Cloud. Remember, there is a new version. Opus for that one, and the other one. Let's try Grok. Where's Grok 4? And I believe there is a way to launch it. Repeat message. Okay. Now you can see that you can get responses. This one's processing that again. And the good thing about this is you can compare the outputs on all those three. Yeah, basically it's that. The objective was to create like a quick video for this.